listening now. You got saved by the listening alarm. Now we got an important message from New York country. November 15, 2 by 23 at 12 p.m. There was a crow attacking whole New York State. Thank you very much. Stay safe.
Was my fart in that?
No.
If you're listening now.
We are back to New York country. On November 23rd, 2 by 23, there was another attack. 3 states, 1 country are being warned by. New York got attacked by South Carolina crows. And I'm going to hear this. North Carolina, Nevada, and West Virginia, and New York country. If you got any ideas, please. Thank you very much. Stay safe.
Okay, I need my phone. Thank you.
This is a national emergency from the New York country. This is going to be a final part. This will be replayed every 1 hours. On December 25th, 2 by 23, it will be replayed every 1 hour. Do you have any ideas? Please, there was crows coming from northeast of South Carolina, taking 5 crows to New York. Thank you. Stay safe.
Finally, the man who what I